Hey creators! We spent the last few weeks testing 5 of the best tripods of 2025. Yes, actually testing them in the wild, in the studio, and even on the go. Whether you're a travel vlogger, landscape shooter, or pro filmmaker, these tripods aren't just spec sheet warriors, they're built to perform. Let's break down what makes each one stand out. This tripod is the definition of travel ready. We took it on hikes, city shoots, and even a rooftop time-lapse session. It folds down to the size of a water bottle but holds up to 20 pounds. Seriously impressive. The ergonomic ball head is smooth and intuitive, and the setup dodge takedown is lightning fast. If you're a hybrid shooter who needs pro-level stability in a compact form, this tripod is a no-brainer. Check the description for our tested gear links and best prices. We've got bundles listed. The Vanguard VO5 is built for creators who want versatility without compromise. We tested it in windy coastal conditions and uneven terrain. It held firm every time. The carbon fiber legs are lightweight but sturdy, and the BH160S ball head gave us precise control for both landscape and portrait shots. If you're a photographer who needs a reliable all-rounder, this one's a standout in its class. Hit the description for our full test footage and the best deals we found online. This tripod is an absolute tank. We mounted a full-frame DSLR with a 600mm lens and shot in rain, mud, and sand. It didn't flinch. The Gitzo GT5543LSUS is built for professionals who demand elite stability and durability. The leg locks are smooth, the build is rock solid, and it's surprisingly easy to transport for its size. If you're shooting wildlife, sports, or high-end video, this is your fortress. Want pro-grade support? Check the description for our gear links and top offers. Don't let the size fool you. This mobile tripod is a powerhouse for phone creators. MagSafe compatible, ultra slim, and surprisingly sturdy, we used it for TikToks, time lapses, and even handheld grip shots. It works as a kickstand, a tripod, and a phone grip, all in one sleek package. If you shoot on your phone and want something pocket-friendly but functional, this is a must-have. Tap the description for our favorite mobile setup and best prices. Need height, speed, and flexibility? The Lance carbon fiber monopod is built for fast-paced shooting. We used it for event coverage, run-and-gun video, and even some BTS footage. It's ultra-tall, ultra-light, and quick to deploy. Perfect for pros who need mobility without sacrificing support. It's not just a monopod, it's a creative tool. Check the description for our tested kit and best prices. We've listed everything we used. So there you have it. 5 tripods we actually tested, each with its own strengths depending on your style, gear, and shooting needs. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes, mobile content, or high-end video, there's a tripod here that'll elevate your workflow. Smash that like button, subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews, and don't forget to check the description for all the product links and best prices we found.